Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a mixture between Godzilla and a penguin as one character. It's going to be simple, easy, for beginners. Let's get started. Hey guys, how's it going? We're going to go over how to draw penguin and Godzilla mixed together. So let's do it. I'm going to go over here now. We're going to curve up. Okay, for that penguin beak. Pulling back. Right there. Gonna pull out over here for the bottom of the penguin beak. Pull back down. So far, so good. Now we'll do a little bit of a bump right here at the top. Right there. To be honest, the penguin has kind of a similar build to Godzilla, which is funny. Outward over here for most of the body. Outward over here down. Pull back for the tail. Pull up. Curve underneath down. Curve underneath down. And we're going to finish off that tail there. I don't think do I want to do that? Alright, we're going to give him a little bit of a bigger tail right here for the Godzilla. The Godzilla vibe, the mixture. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make that a ridge. See how we kind of like automatically corrected that mistake? Just make that like a ridge right there. Pull down over here on this side. Out over here, in. Out over here, in. Out over here, in. Up. Downward. Out over here. Out over here. Like so. We got those feet. Very penguin. So far, almost everything's penguin except for a little bit of elongated tail there. So, let's jump into some of these features here, okay? Right there, I'm going to go line here, pull up, down, line over here, pull over here, like so. Alright. That's more of a Godzilla eye right there, because penguin eyes are more like dots. Now I'm going to go over here and pull down, back. Line over here. Out over there, up. Line down over here, up. Wiggle right here for the color change along the feet. We can kind of do that over here as well for the color change on the arm there. Okay, favorite part, right? Let's go over here and draw spike. A little bit of a mountain right there. I always say this in every tutorial regarding anything Godzilla. Think of it as little mountains on his back, or if you want those features on, let's say the penguin here, you want to think of that as little mountains, little shards, whatever you call them, like maybe like a glacier. That can also help as well. Little glaciers help, and they get bigger as it hits the center, and it starts tapering back down as it gets down. As far as how many spikes are on each one, you don't really worry about it. Just kind of you wanna start developing that sense of design by just kind of like toying around with it, right? We are using a marker, so it's kind of hard to toy around with. So it goes really tiny right there. Line over here. These thin lines are going to show the texture of these spikes. Let's do a line right here for a color change because I kind of want to bring it all together. Let's go out over here. So we gotta give him atomic breath. I think that's I gotta, right? So over here, I'm gonna go pull out, and I'm gonna wiggle it as it goes outward. Over here, wiggle it as it goes outward. Right there. Now this atomic breath, which is going on. Get a line underneath here for like a color change as well there. So how do we make this, better? We could fill this in. That's something that you should do. Fill it in for the penguin, like the totally black. Am I gonna do that? Oh dear, I don't want to ruin this marker, honestly. All right, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do just the arms and the head right there, okay? Just because I like you guys, all right? Please give me a like for that because I'm about to like ruin my marker. I'm about to waste it here hardcore. Please hit that like. All right. By the way, if you have any other suggestions for what we can combine, let me know. I've taken literally everybody's request. This was a request, by the way. So, what would a penguin look like merged with Godzilla? So, just okay. Let's do the head here. That one's gonna be the tough one. But yeah, like absolutely make a request. The channel's pretty open. People always talk to me, and I love hearing you guys' thoughts. So yeah, definitely. I would definitely love to hear any feedback you have of any kind. Oh man, this is gonna be tough because he had a mean face right there, but I'm gonna have to fill in the little shape of the brow. But yeah. Also, don't forget to check out sketchmonsterart.com. It is a website that I'm working on every single day. So go take a look at that at some point. Every single day I'm working on it. All right, almost done with this part of the head here. Yeah, penguins are cool. I love penguins. We did one with Godzilla mixed with a wolf. You can always check that one out as well. And then most of them, there are other characters. All right. Should we do the feet? No, that's good enough. All right, let's do the feet. We have to leave a line right there to show the the toes. You want the impression. That's the best part about this stuff. The impression is more important than staying like super technical. You want the impression of what's going on. So kind of remember that. That'll always win out. And I'll do a little bit at the bottom of the tail right here, just to kind of ground it a little bit. Anyways, thank you so much. I will talk to you later, and I want you to stick around because we're going to do another drawing lesson together, okay? So let's do another drawing lesson together right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.